Good morning, children. Last class we have discussed about bacteria and cell structure also. You just recall the last videos. Okay. Next, bacteria are described according to the shape of their cells. Bacteria are described according to the shape of their cells. This is called bacilli. Actually, listen, this is zoological name. Okay, va? I think first time you have to pronounce it is very difficult. Okay, you just practice again you have to practice means you can easily pronounce that. Okay, bacilli. What is that? A bacilli. This is spirilla. What is that? Spirilla. This is cocci. What is cocci? This is vibrio. What is that? Vibrio. This is according to the shape of their bacteria described according to the shape of their cells. See next, bacilli, rod shaped bacteria. This rod means you know that rod shaped bacteria. Bacillus anthracis. This is bacteria name. Next, spirilla, spiral shaped bacteria. Spiral shaped bacteria. This Helicobacterial pylori. Okay, va? Next, cocci, spiral or ball shaped bacteria. They can stick together in pair. Listen, this is 4 types of bacteria is there. This is bacilli, spirilla, vibrio. Next, cocci. Cocci is a spherical or round shaped. This is rod shaped. This is comma shape. Comma. You put no comma like that. Comma. Next, spirilla. Spirilla means if you surundu varu solluliya, that is spirilla. Okay, according to the shape of the bacteria cell. Spherical or ball shaped bacteria, they can stick together in pair. See, again you attach to the pair. Again one cocci is attached mean it's called what is that? Diplococcus. Okay, va? Next. Next. Phenomena is occur in bunches. Next, you see. Form of chain. Form of chain. Again, have like form of chain. This is form of chain. This is what is this? Streptococcus. Streptococcus. What is that? Streptococcus. Can you understand? Cocci. This 2 have to stick means Diplococcus. Diplococcus or Diplococcus. This is Streptococcus. What is that? Streptococcus. Phenomena are occur in bunches. Next, can visible? Vibrio. Comma shaped bacteria. Example, vibrio called this comma shaped. See, bacteria also, this is shape of the bacteria. Next, bacteria also classified according to the number of arrangement of flagella, which are as follows. See, you know flagella. This is flagella aids in locomotions. See, last class I have to discuss. This is locomotion organ. Locomotion means move from one place to another if want to one organ. That is only called a flagella. Human beings locomotion organ which one? Are leg. நம்மட லெக்ல தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? ஒரு இடத்துல இருந்து இன்னொரு இடத்துக்கு மூவ் பண்ணி போறோம். எதை நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றோம்? Legs யூஸ் பண்றோம். As a same like the cell is they want to locomotion means use that flagella. This is called flagella locomotion aids. See, monorhynchus. What is that? Monorhynchus. Next, Logorhynchus. What is that? Logorhynchus. Next, Amphiorhynchus. Amphiorhynchus. Not trichus, children. Trichus. Don't pronounce trichus. Rhynchus. That's all. Next, Perihynchus. What is that? Perihynchus. Next, Ahynchus. Okay, va? First, monorhynchus means single flagella at one end. See, this is mono. Mono means what? Single. Solo performance only solo. Solo as otherwise called mono, single. Single flagella is present at one end. This is called monoricous. For example, Vibrio cholera. This is not Vibrio cholera. This is only monoricous. Only one flagella is present here. Okay. Next. Lophouricous. Tuft of flagella at one end. This is and one end this is bunch of flagella is present. Okay, for example, Rhodospirillum rubrum. Okay, va? Oh, sorry, Pseudomonas. Sorry, children, that is only I confused. Pseudomonas. What is that? Pseudomonas. P is a silent. Okay, va? P is silent. Don't pronounce that. Pseudomonas. What is that? Pseudomonas. Next, Ampiricus. Ampi means two. Ampi means what? Two. Amphibian soldier. Frog is an amphibian animal. You know that frog live in water and animal. Sorry, water and they are frog is living in water and land. When frog is live in water, it's breathe through gills. Okay, when frog is living in land, it breathe through lungs, through the skin. That is amphibians. Amphibian means is otherwise called amphibians. Amphibian means two. Amphi means what? Two. See, tuft of flagella and both ends. See, both ends. Here one, here one. Ampiricus. Okay. Next, Periricus. What is that? Peri means what? Flagella all around. Example, E. coli. What is that example? E. coli. This is peri. All around the flagella, all around the cell. This is Pericus. Can you understand? Next, Aricus. A means what? Absent. No flagella is there. That is only called Aricus. Without any flagella. Okay, one example, Corynebacterium diphtheria. Okay, one Corynebacterium diphtheria. Can you understand? See, this is flagellation types in bacteria had drawn set. Listen, this is Monoricus, this is Ampiricus, this is Lophouricus, Periricus, Aricus. This is flagella arrangement. This is shape of the, according to the shape of their cells. Okay. Listen, this and all zoological name, children. This is first time you have to pronounce, means it is very difficult. You practiced again and you have to practice, means you will get easily. Can you understand? Okay. Next class I will meet you next session. Thank you.